Welcome everybody, this is M. Solomon from TTA Technical and Time Analysis. We will speak today about Gannalyst Professional 5 and we will start with how to install and how to download the data from the internet and how to convert it to suitable data form and let's start with how to install. First, you are going to go for google.com and write this in the search. Gannalyst Professional 5 free download. And then you choose one of the links. Let's try with this one. Click on it. Okay, we will go down. You will see download. And here you show where to download it and then you click on it. Yes, and then next agree, of course, and next until you finish installing. It's already installed on my device, so no need for that. Let's go to the next step. Now you go to your MetaTrader 4 and choose what you are going to download. For this example, we are going to use the gold in a daily form. So you go first to the tools and then click options. Then we will click on charts, and here you will see max bars in history and here max bar in charts. So just delete this and write 999 until finish, and this one also, and write 999 until it's finished, and then OK. This step will give you the maximum data you can download from your browser from your MetaStock 4. The more data you get, the more accurate analysis you can get also. After that, you write here Control and S in the same time. You choose the place which you are going to save the data on it, and then choose this extension PRN. Don't choose any other extension, and then click Save. Yes. Next step, you need to have any version of MetaStock. I have MetaStock 11 and it's working good for me. Now you open MetaStock, you click in this icon. This icon will open another program, which is the downloader. From here you browse the place which you choose to download the form in it, and then from here you choose the form PRN. You will see the form which you downloaded, and then you from here you check this one MetaStock, and then browse the place which you are willing to download to save the data on it. Here, for example, I'm using it in DXAUSSD, and then click Save. Click OK. Here he will ask you about symbol. For example, you are going to write X. You can write anything, but for me I will write XAUUSD and then close. He converted it. Now you have the data updated until today, and you can start working on it. Let's see how we are going to do that and how we are going to work on that with Gannalyst Professional 5. This is the general screen of Gannalyst Professional 5. Here you have basic tools, and here price tools, time tools, square, angles, zero line, stop loss, and indicators. Gradually, we are going to know anything about every one of them, and today we will start we will open the data and we will install the first important tool, which is Square. Click on new portfolio icon and then choose the place you downloaded the data on it. Here you will see this one. Open. As you can see, it's open. Here from this one here, the small icons are important and it's always on the screen. From here you choose daily or weekly or monthly, and from here of course you choose the source of the data, and from here you change decimal, and here you hide. If you draw anything, you can hide it and make it appear again. Here you can make it compressed, and here extend. For let's say it's zoom in, zoom out. This one will make the chart go up, and this one will make it go down. This one will minimize the chart itself, and then this one will expand the chart itself. Here you can make like horizontal lines, small one, and here you make it like a vertical one. I don't like this one. Anyway, this is another icon, very important. This is how to convert chart in candles, and from here you change it, you make it in bars, and from here you make it a chart. This one make it like window, data window, to make you easy to see what's happening, what is the places. Also down here you will see any of the, if you are focused down, you will see that it's changing. While I am moving, it's changing. From here you see this is the date, this is the open, this is the high, this is the low, this is the close, this is the volume, and here this is the date and this is the value. What mean by the value? If I stayed like here, this is the value of this point exactly. It's different, so if I stop in one place and go up and down, everything will be the same except the value. So this is general idea about the software. We make it like this also again, and we will start with the squares. There is many kind of squares. Today I'm going to speak about one important one, which is the 90. As you can see, the 90 has two of them. One of them is like this and one like this. So what is the difference? If you click on this one, you will make it like here, go from a place like bottom or measure bottom or measure top. Like here, for example, you will see here, draw you a square of 90, but it's only for one square without repeating it. And the second one here, this one, the difference is if you click like here, you will see a lot of squares. Let's make something here. As you can see, the default come like 1. The default of the program, it came the price step of 1. So, but I change it. You can change whatever the parameter you need to be installed or to be appeared as a start. Today we will see there is two different. The most important item here is the price step. It's different from mini stock or whatever the forex or the data you are handling. The important here is the price step. The price step is depending about two things. How to calculate the price step? There is two methods. First method, we will use the calculator. We will see here there is 1900 and here it's 1880. So we'll write the first one. You can choose whatever number, any number of on the right, and and follow these steps. For example, I'm going to use 1900 minus 1880 and then click equal. You will see it's 20 and then subscribe by 5, then 4. So go here and write the step of 4. Second thing here, you choose this one, just unclick this one to make it easier for you to see the situation. So this is the first step. As you can see, the price is moving according to these things. You can say it like a trend line, Gann star, whatever you are going to say. Later, maybe I'm going to explain how to make it easier for you to see. But let's say that today we are going to speak about only the principles. So the horizontal lines, support and resistance. There is as you can see here, this is the support, and here this line is resistant. He touch it and go back again, and then consider this red line as support, and then he go like this. The vertical lines is the time lines. There is a chance of changing in direction or changing based if we reach it a point of this lines. But later when you study the Gann theory more, you will know more about what is the meaning, what is the actual meaning of this line, and why the software draw it in a certain places with a certain amount of candles. And all of that you will know later, gradually, step by step. As you can see, the price go up until he touch this resistance, and then he start going down. Also about these lines, these lines are angles. Every line of them means something. So if you later you will know about more of that, but for now you can say these lines are trend lines. It's drawn and starting from this point, it's drawn like this, and then it's duplicate and repeat itself. By the time you can see the stock or the gold, for example, here respect one of the lines. Let's say here in the basic you will see like this one here, and here, for example. So this is like a trend lines or a channel. It's already drawn by the software, and here the middle one. As you can see, he was walking, the price was moving between these lines. Then when he break this one, he go back again and try to test it again. Then he draw another one and respect another one of the lines, as you can see here. So these lines are trend lines. It's hidden, but the software show it to you. By some amount of training and time, you will know how to detect the important lines of the stock or the forex you are working on it, and then you draw the right the right channels and the right support and resistance. This is the first way of drawing the squares. The second way of drawing the square is you choose any top or bottom, but instead of depending about this numbers, you are going to use another method. From here, the bottom, you see it's 1752. So you open the calculator and then you write 1752 and then subscribe by 360 and then use this as a price step. Then okay, now he changed it. As you can see, he slightly changed, and you can test that and see what is the most suitable for you and what is the most accurate way. That's it for me. Please share and subscribe. Thank you and see you next time.